Hello friends, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the update on this $10,000 investment small account challenge. So this challenge was started in 15 June 2025 and in today's date is 15 August 2025 for this video update. Okay, so let's go to the why I started doing this. So I think the first thing that I want to share over here is I am sharing this whole journey to encourage small investors to start investing towards the financial independence. And I want to show that you all can start with a small account like this and still end up great. And I also would like to use this experience that sharing on this journey to share my insights and lessons along the way. So let's take a look on what happened on 15 August 2025. The account was started in with $10,000 and today's value itself is $10,838 on 15 August 2025. So just a small disclaimer, $70 is actually a bonus credit from some of the rewards from Momo. And today's itself, based on 15 August, is the 60 days milestone. So currently, in terms of annualized yield, it's actually at 55.8%. If I'm calculating based on 10,000, and right now in terms of $10,838, of course, this is minusing away the bonus credit. And we have to take note over here, in order to earn $838, right, based on a 5% annualized return, you actually have to invest 16,760 for one full year. But as of right now, we are only 2 months into the challenge and account performance right now, I think so far is pretty good. So if we look at the account as of now, this is the value today on 15 August screenshot, 10,838.79. And over here, you would have noticed that majority of my holdings are actually still in cash. So I have been doing quite a fair bit of trades, but I only utilize a small portion for my investments during the slight pullback. Okay, so here itself, June, I just started the account on the mid of the June. Then July performance, right now this is August performance. Okay, so for trades right now, I actually entered Ethereum, Bitcoin, I have a bit of QQQM, and then Tesla was actually gifted to me. I also invested in VOO. This is actually also an index for the S&P 500. The rest itself is actually majority on my vertical trades. So I'm taking a very passive approach on this account to make it very simple and easy to invest, so that I don't really have to go and pick stocks and do a lot of research based on this. So just taking a very simpler approach on investing on this. Okay, I want to share three lessons over here. I think the first thing that I wanted to share is to trade the chart. So there are a lot of people saying that market is at the all-time high and they are afraid to invest because it seems like it's very expensive. But I will still continue to be more optimistic and be bullish based on what the chart is telling me. Because I do not want to counter trade the chart, meaning just based on assumption, thinking that because the stock market is high and it means that it's expensive. I do not want to run into that kind of judgment. More of like, I will only be bearish when the chart tell me so. Meaning there are indicators that I will be looking at that determines whether the market is in the bearish mode. And the second thing is start small. It works better than not starting. So based on this account that I'm sharing with you all is that I just want to share actually using very simple investment methods. It works also investing even in the index funds. You can start very small. It will still work better rather than not starting. And thirdly itself is I've been really patient with this account because I do not want to one shot all in. Of course, I think looking back, I think if I have invested all my cash during June, right now I think the performance might be even better. But as of now, I'm not fully deployed yet because that is actually part of the risk management. I'm only waiting for pullbacks, and only in pullbacks I will deploy my cash for investments. So just playing the whole game very patiently, not going to rush this account, and just hopefully to grow this steadily along the way. So for this account challenge, I hope that if you got any questions, just feel free to ask. I hope I can help and share more in the comment section. And if you like to follow more behind the scenes videos, right, you can actually follow my Instagram at Vincent Tan Story. And lastly, This is just a small channel, my side project. And if let's say you enjoy the content over here, do feel free to subscribe to my channel in my YouTube channel. And I also have a free investment calculator, which is meant to calculate in terms for your retirement. So you can actually download on the link below. So that will be all for today's video, and I'll look forward to share more with you in the next video.